little girls and a puppy. Woohoo! Kiddyzuzaa. Hello. Look, a Tsum toy shop and a fantastic surprise egg. This is so cute. It comes with Mickey Mouse and Alice in Wonderland. Let's put Mickey in here. What a lovely toy shop. Wow! More Tsums to put in my shop. And the Ola plushie Tsum. A frozen surprise. A Kinder Egg surprise. I love this Ola. There's an Elsa Tsum plushie. There's an Anna Tsum plushie. A Span Tsum plushie. And a Snow Monster Tsum plushie. He's so squeezable. They look so cute. It's Tinkerbell. It's one of the little green men. It's Squishy. It's Woody. And Buzz Lightyear. We got Snow White. Anna. Boo. Trump. Baymax. Let's stack them up. All the little girls and Mickey. All the little boys. All the little girls and a puppy. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, go. We stacked them all up. Anna's my favorite. Anna gave it to me. We put Tinkerbell and Anna in here. They look so cool in these keychains. Let's open these surprises! We've got Elsa. It's a little rabbit. A little blue rabbit in a basket. He can go in the toy shop too.